The Morrison Figure 244 series emergency vent is designed for use on above-ground storage tanks. When properly installed, the 244 will not only assure compliance with code requirements, but will also prevent tanks from being overpressurized or rupturing in the event of a fire. It's important to understand that each vent is specifically sized for each tank. So before beginning, be sure to consult with the Morrison Brothers publication, Venting Guide for Above-Ground Storage Tanks for proper sizing. Before beginning the installation, there are a few items to note. First, connections must be installed or fabricated with the vent positioned in the vertical or plumb position. There should be no reduction in pipe size between the tank and the Figure 244 emergency vent. For example, using this reducing bushing to attach a 6-inch vent to an 8-inch riser would be strictly prohibited. Now it's time to get started. After unpacking the 244 emergency vent, remove any remaining packaging material and check the interior of the vent for foreign matter. The O-ring surface should be clean and free of any dirt or particles. Before beginning the installation process, verify that the vent cover slides freely in the up and down direction. Next, begin the installation using standard piping practices. Start by applying a fuel-resistant, non-hardening, non-adhesive, anti-seize sealant to the threads. Position the 244 vent on top of the tank connection and hand tighten it to engage the threads. It's important that all sizes of vents be hand tightened before the wrench makeup is applied. Once the valve has been properly hand tightened, use a wrench to apply the appropriate number of turns for the respective vent size. To determine the correct number of turns, refer to the wrench makeup specification chart, which can be found on the instruction sheet. It is important to note that over-tightening may cause damage to the vent. A tolerance of plus or minus 1 turn is allowed due to the variability of the thread form. Once the vent is installed, slide the cover up and down to verify that it still moves freely. A final and critically important step is to affix the warning tag, which is included in the vent package. The tag should be attached at a location where it will be visible to the operator who is filling or unloading the tank, preferably near the dry disconnect fill adapter. The 244 emergency vent requires no assistance during operation. The cover will not open until the pressure of the tank reaches the pressure indicated on the vent cover. Annual inspections should be performed by an individual familiar with the operation of storage tank vents. If freezing conditions are present, the vent should be inspected immediately prior to servicing the tank. To check for proper operation, slide the cover up and down several times to make sure that it moves freely. If the vent cover sticks or binds to any degree, the vent should be replaced. Inspect the vent, including the seal area for dust, debris, snow, or ice. Remove any that is found. Inspect all valve components for damage, corrosion, or excessive wear. If any damage is found that could impede the operation of the vent should be replaced. Finally, inspect the vent warning tag. Make sure that it is legible and attached at the location that will be visible to anyone servicing the tank. If the tag is damaged or difficult to read, contact Morrison Brothers at 1-800-553-4840 for a free replacement. For questions regarding applications, special configurations, approvals, or any other concerns, more information can be found in the product catalog or online at www.morbros.com. For additional assistance, contact our customer service department at 800-553-4840.